no fun, just like always. And today we're going to be doing something really cool. Today we're going to be making kabobs on these skiers. Welcome here, everybody. I'm so excited to make kabobs with you. Kabobs. We're gonna designate this kabob week. Kabob, yeah, wow. Kabob. So we got several ingredients here. We got lots of different kinds of ingredients. And now we're gonna make our kabobs. See the description of my daddy doing this like meat thing, marinating in the fridge overnight with soy sauce, Worcestershire, brown sugar, syrup, honey, salt and pepper, garlic, a balsamic production. This one on. This one's for my mommy. I'm making the first one for my mommy. Fun fact of these cheese is called halloumi, and you can put it on the grill. It is a hot pepper, a chili pepper, a very hot pepper chili, or sweet pepper, whatever. Kabobs. I'm making kabobs. Zucchini. You can see we have some zucchini at the bottom too. We don't put any meat on. My mom, she doesn't like meat. No, Oh, this is my mommy's kabob, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it on this cutting board. It's really cool cutting board. And we're gonna drizzle some of this olive oil. I haven't used olive oil in a long time, so I probably won't know what it's called. So drizzle. Done. We're gonna do our co-op salt and co-op pepper. We only have a little bit of salt with that. That's not surprising. So let's do this. Oh, I forgot. We have to twist the lid. It's pretty impressive of some kind of person that made this. And whoever made this, if you're watching, good job. Okay, drizzle. It's done. So we're gonna put this kabob on this pan, and the rest of them we're gonna put on the barbecue. Oh, so heavy. And boop, it's done. Okay, now we're gonna make my brother's, which he probably would like some of this meat here. So we're gonna put some meat on it. So grab a kabob stick, and now we're gonna do choop. Okay, I think he'll like this cheese, and he loves pepper, so I'm gonna give him a pepper. And I'm gonna get my daddy to come make one with me. Come on, Daddy. It's my best friend, my daddy! He's gonna make his own kabob with his kabob stick.
Can't miss the pineapple. Whoa, you stabbed yourself. You gotta watch out. Tell your people why.
You have to watch out because you might poke yourself and maybe you'll bleed like happened to your foot.
What happened to your foot?
There was a sharp end at a wood. I was climbing it up and then it went poke through me. Whoa!
Blooper reel.
Blooper reel. So we're gonna put some pepper on here, but I'm not gonna put pepper on mine. I know I'm a chef. Some chefs don't have to like everything. They're ready now. We're gonna put them on our pit boss grill. It is so good. I love that combination. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you subscribe. Click this button to subscribe and click this button for our next video. Thank you for watching. Mwah!